Hey there, welcome to day 1384 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom, just documenting my journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business, over 48 years in owning businesses, over a quarter century, that simultaneously working in different aspects of corporate America, almost all management and engineering and leadership, all leadership positions, following college, where I got an engineering degree, engineering, marketing, and management degree, actually 3 degrees. I liked college. I liked learning. I am a lifelong learner. I love learning and growing and learning different things, different modalities, different certifications, different courses. I've actually lost count of all the different courses and programs and things that I've learned and done and studied over the years, because it's been a lot of years, right? Almost 50 years since I have started businesses and been involved in learning. And even as kids, we learn, right? So today I've been coughing my head off through my videos, so I'm not going to talk long. I just wanted to share what I was talking about today. Our idiom, our money idiom for November for Supersize Your Business was in for a penny, in for a pound. So I had a penny somewhere, in for a penny, in for a 3-pound weight, because it's the only weight I had that was handy. But it's an expression that's been around since the late 1600s. It came from England, of course, where pennies and pounds. And when it came to the United States, instead of changing it to penny, in for a penny, in for a dollar, it just stayed in for a penny, in for a pound, which makes more sense. I don't think I've ever used this expression, but I understand it. It means, once you're invested in something, once you're involved in something, once you decide to do something, you might as well go all in, because if you owe something, you might as well owe a lot. If you're committed to something, you might as well commit all the way versus just trying. Go all in. Once you make a decision or a choice, go all in and make sure that it works out for you. And so I asked the question, on a scale of 1 to 10 right now, where are you with respect to growing and building and supersizing your business, between just, deciding it's an idea and you kind of want to do it and try it out, versus being all in? And I admit it today, given that I have a cold and I'm not feeling that great, my primary business, I'm only in at about a 7 these days. Primarily because I haven't been feeling good for about a month. And so that's caused me to back off on my enthusiasm of what I'm creating, what I'm doing right now. And I'm always enthusiastic about what I'm creating, what I'm doing right now. But sometimes our energy has to go into different areas or aspects of our life. And right now, I'm having to spend some time and energy on my physical well-being and my health. So that means I'm not 10, I'm not 100%, I'm not all in on supersizing and growing my business at this very instant. Now, it doesn't mean that in a week, when I'm feeling better, I'm not back up to a 9 or a 10 and I'm just going gung-ho all in to build that particular business. I'm always very upfront with my business associates and partners in terms of where I am with respect to being all in when I get involved in a business with them. Some things I am purposely only in at a 3. I'm in at a level 3, and I'll do what I can, but it's not ever going to be my primary focus. Whereas my primary business, I want to be at about a 10, really all in, committed, doing whatever it takes to make sure that that works. So that was our idiom today. Our topic for No Nonsense November was focus. And I coughed through that one and did a terrible job talking about focus, because I was not focused. I was focused on my coughing. But basically, focus is, we define what we're going to focus on, meaning how present are we going to be? How and what are we going to spend our time and energy on? Are we going to divert our energy and break it up and spend it on a bunch of little things? Or are we going to concentrate it on things that are most important to us based on our priorities and our vision, etc.? Our annual challenge today was about stretching our heart, just like yesterday. Yesterday we stretched our heart by giving a gift to a friend. Today we're stretching our heart by giving a gift to a stranger. We're going to share what that is in the comments below on that particular post and page. And I'm going to go hang out with my next younger sister today. We're going to go have some lunch and do some things. So who knows when I'll get to posting my videos today. I have no idea. I was hanging out with my granddaughter this morning and my sister in a little bit. And I'd much rather take some time away and relax and recoup and feel better than coughing through processing videos and doing things like that. They'll get out. They always do. So far, I'm 100% with it always gets done. It just might not get done. It doesn't get done at 4 or 5 or 7 o'clock in the morning anymore, because again, our life, our priorities, things that are important to us change and morph. And to me, hanging out with my granddaughter is a lot more important than doing my videos super early in the morning. And thus the flat hair. Who cares? All right. Any questions? If you need help with anything, please feel free to ask. Like I said, I've backed off on some business things that I'm doing, which means I can recuperate and have some time to answer questions if you might happen to have them. Otherwise, well, make it an awesome day. Focus, commit to the things that are important to you, and stretch your heart. Those are all good things that we can do today. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.